Game. Guys, bet builder tayo. Sa akin, Indiana minus 5.5. Hanggang di nakapag-bet Welcome back, mga pare. Bakbaka na to. Indiana tayo
9-point game, still a lot of time left. Clark on the cut, backs away.
Patay! Sayang! Guys, minus 5.5 sa Indiana. Tas over tayo ng 190. Patay! Nice one. Time out. Kinabahan ako dun
Kelsey Mitchell now.
Oh, injury ata si Mitchell.
We have not seen her in the fourth quarter. Obviously, that's a big developing story at 29 points in 24 minutes.
Ay.
First three.
Injury ata. Sayang yun. Butata, di ba? Uy, 10 lang yan. 9 lang yan. Uli. Swerte nun! Swerte nun! Buenos dia. Diskarte mo, Raven. Raven ba yan? Patay. Snaps pass. Paul! Wala Paul yun! Parang Paul counted yun Ayan, depensa lang, Cunningham. Lakas nun, sino yun? Harrison, tindi na. Lakas ng malalim nun Ito lang yan, boy. Wala ano tindihan. Grabe ka! Depensa, magaling nga si Mayberry. Tiraan kayo yan. Rice. Wala, nice one. Backshot. Uy, walang... Sayang yun. Oh, magaling yan si Mayberry. Kapaulan ng trash yan Cunningham, depensa mo lang Cunningham. Huwag ka nga end one, Clark. Huwag nga end one, Clark. Pangalan nun? Juskite. Kamukha ni Haaland to. Ay, kala mo nagpo-football ka. Paul nga, tulak Oy, kabado. 18 minutes, 1 point. Malas lang pala siya pare. Pero feeling ko may tira yan. Clark, tindihan mo Clark. Isang lang, Clark, dagger. Boston, 4-3. Sayang, libre. Okay lang yan. Patay ka dyan kay Mayberry. Nasundot naman Magaling kasi yan Di naman sadya. Ilan na lang yan, boy. Ito. Rebound. Nice one.
Indiana basketball leading by 7. Clark has to get it across the timeline and didn't. That's an 8-second violation.
8 second, di ba? Di mo tinignan yung oras Delikado pa ata yung 5.5 ko. Still, nice one.
Timpson comes up with it. Here is Clark. Clark through the lane.
Cunningham.
Indiana by 10 with 1:25 to go.
Sophie Cunningham. Ganda nun, boy. Ganda ng base dun, Guys, naka-bet ako dyan. Bet builder ako dyan. Dalawang tres. Nakatatlo na yan. Depensa lang. Welcome back ba to? Welcome back sa bet. Panalo mo 2. Sumaba pa yan, boy. Patay! Sabi ko sa'yo. Oras lang tayo na ganyan. Sibensa mo lang. Patay! Sabi sa'yo eh. Kanan to. Kuha naman to si Mabry oh. Chamba lang to eh oh. Pero may tira kasi yan eh. Totoo, das pa ata di ah. Match winner lang guys. Saka yung over ang hindi ko makakasa.
Now for Mabry to lead the way for Toronto. And Morrow, 14 points, 16
Kain sa'yo yan. Kain sa'yo yan Boston. Kain sa'yo yan Boston. Hindi ka kain yan boy. Unang tira. Nice. Galing yan si Boston. Diba first pick yan eh.
And now Toronto with
Mabry nag-iinit siya no.
here's Mabry firing again. Not that time. Long rebound. Rice comes up with it and is fouled by Cunningham.
Unang tira na pare. Wala mo na.
Buries the first.
Tira yung boy. Hindi ata papasok yung 5.5 ko.
Right, Clark.
Ubus oras Clark.
Clock is the friend of the fever. Clark letting it wind. Clark, no look underneath. Harris backs away. Shot clock at 8.
Muntik pa yung pasa na yun oh.
With a shot clock at 7. Harris stuck off to Boston. 2 to shoot. Boston can't get it to go.
Patay.
Toronto basketball. And they will take a timeout. Their final timeout. With Mabry.
Dahil yung bigay sa kapila. Open dun oh. Di pa ata papasok yung 5.5 ko boy.
As soon as this one goes. Inbound, Harrison. Harrison trying to get it to Mabry. Hull defending her tightly. Mabry looking to find an angle and a carry. As Toronto turns it.
Lexi Hull, that entire possession on Mabry.
Clark gets.
Hindi mo pinakita ba't na pa uli?
And now we'll go to the line. Try and make it a
Bakit ito na-foul?
5-6 point game.
Just look at Hull. Hand
Kala ko good, di ba?
over screen, hand up again.
Ah.
Both hands up, just trying to take away the
Masyadong
distance.
mataas ang dribble mo pare.
Mabry the entire
Nice one. Tira ko shoot ko boy sa lamang. GG.
focus. They knew that Mabry, they were trying to get
Clark, pasok mo.
trying to get a touch.
Nice one.
Hull came in.
5 points. Abot pa ata yung 5.5 ko.
And Hull, even though it's been a quieter offensive season, she still brings that.
Walang timeout yan sila.
Great D at a key time. Clark hits both his 24 points. 5 seconds left. That won't go. Tippett
Pasok!
deflects it, and that will.
Ako yung
The
5.5.
Indiana Fever hang on for a
Pasok yung 5.5.
victory.
Ah!
As their
Welcome back to guys.
successful one.
Guys, dalawang bet yan. Isang bet builder, saka isang match winner, saka over 190. Kita sa mo.
The Hall of Famers Rebecca Lobo and Molly Rowe. I'm Rob Rucco saying,
GG. Welcome back.
send you to Las Vegas.
Welcome back mga bare.
Beth Mowins, Carolyn Peck.
GG. Ay, pasok na pasok oh. Boom!
Contest between the